Let's crochet the ears for the crochet kitten. You need your yarn, a crochet hook, and stitch marker, and some scissors. We'll start with magic ring, so get a length of yarn and make the magic ring. We will do 4 stitches in magic ring, and remember the first stitch doesn't really count. Now we're in 3 and 4. Now the instructions do not say to do a slip stitch together, so don't. For this round, which is round 2, we will single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochet in the stitch after that twice. So insert your stitch marker so you know where the beginning is. Get your working yarn and single crochet in that next stitch right there. Then 2 single crochet in that next stitch after that. So there's 1 and 2. Repeat that pattern again with 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochet in the following stitch. Now we will count our stitches, and we should have 6 stitches. All right, if we have 6 stitches, and we do, that means it's time for round 3, where we will single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the stitch after that 3 times. This will give us 9 stitches. So there was the 1 single crochet, and here is 2 single crochet. So single crochet, make sure you're getting in the right stitch and not skipping any stitches, and then 2 single crochet. Make sure your yarn is loose and you're not creating excess tension by having your working yarn tight. And now count your stitches. There should be 9. Now that you have 9 stitches, it's time for round 4, where we will single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. We'll do this 3 times, which gives us 12 stitches. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, then 2 in this next stitch. Again, single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in that next stitch. And now count your stitches, should be 12, and for round 5 we fasten off, which is where you just leave a long tail and cut the yarn.